This is young James Bickley, 53 years young, 2 weeks after a robotic left total hip. Let's have a look at you, James.
Okay.
Walking there, so that was really good. So we're 2 weeks now, and he's walking without a limp, his pain is controlled. That's pretty much normal gait already, so that's been really good.
Yeah.
So how's your pain? How's your pain?
Very good.
Your pain controlled?
Generally, yes.
Yeah.
A little bit of discomfort, but to be expected.
Overall, you feel pretty good. Are you sleeping all right? Or?
That's the bit that's been a bit tricky, but
Yeah.
that's just about getting comfortable at night.
Yeah. But you've done well.